Hello, today we are going to discuss our Stanford project. This is the app.py file and we have deployed it on Streamlit. This is the complete bank account system project. Let's see how it's work. I have deployed it on Streamlit. First of all, user has to create its name, then deposit some amount. $20,000 initial deposit is added. I need to deposit more amount, for example, 10,000. Now amount increased. I need to check my details. Now my details are there. I need to withdraw 5,000. 5,000 is withdrawn and remaining balance is 25,000. This is about me and that's it.